concur. What do you think, Tomas?
Yeah, we think that's good body checks. We didn't get Nick's tethers and tools, so if you could run through that for us one more time, please.
Yep.
Okay, we copy Nick.
And McClain near the top of your screen, wearing the suit bearing the red stripes as EV1 or extravehicular crew member number 1. Nick Hague at the bottom of your screen. He has a suit with no stripes as EV2.
All right, we see you guys going. You're looking good, and Nick, you'll fair lead your green hook on S03439 on top of that S0 starboard wedge work site.
Okay, how's that?
That's good. Okay. What's the best clearance we've got, ground? I'm going to snap some photos. Your leads off. Yeah, heading towards phase 1.
If you turn that corner up by phase 1, I want to double check that my tether didn't get caught on something. I think it might have gotten hung up on something just below phase 1 that you might be able to take off.
I'll check it out.
Thanks.